Our morning mist was one of our OG products. This is one of the first products I ever created in the entire Tropic range, and it started its life as vitamin toner and slowly evolved over the years. And the reason why I created this was because I wanted something that was going to be super soothing and hydrating for my skin. At the time of creation, I was traveling a lot, so my skin was feeling really parched, and I wanted something that I could just spritz on quickly and give my skin that instant boost of hydration. And this is exactly what this product does. It's called Morning Mist now because I want it to feel like that fresh morning mist that you feel when you step out super early in the morning, if you go for a walk in the woods and you feel that coolness in the air. That's how I want your skin to feel when you use this product. But of course, it's not just for mornings, it's for any time of day because it's such a versatile product. You can use it to help set your makeup, you can use it to help refresh your skin complexion throughout the day, or just to give your skin a little bit of a boost of hydration. And in fact, we've had this clinically tested. So after 2 hours of applying your morning mist, your skin will maintain double the hydration levels from when you first used it. So not only does it provide that instant boost of hydration, it continues on working throughout the day. And I just love it. And I also love that this is like a lovely long mist. Do you see it? It's incredible. It smells amazing. There's aloe vera juice, I smell rose water, there's avocado milk in there, and it's just, it's the product that keeps on giving, and it's just always in my handbag.